Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef bone broth for collagen. First, gather about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, ideally a mix of marrow, knuckle, and joint bones for maximum collagen. Roasting these bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes before simmering is crucial. This step significantly deepens the flavor and color of your finished broth, making it much richer and more appealing. Once your bones are roasted, place them into a large stock pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 2 to 3 inches above the bones. Now, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps to draw out the minerals and collagen. Finally, toss in some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions for a more complex and delicious flavor profile. Bring your pot to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, allowing it to cook for 12 to 24 hours. The longer simmer time helps extract more collagen and nutrients. During this process, periodically skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clear broth. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. After straining, it's vital to cool your bone broth quickly to prevent bacterial growth. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath or dividing it into smaller containers. Once cooled, transfer the broth to airtight containers. It will last for 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator, or you can freeze it for several months. Don't forget to check the description below for some fantastic deals and a link to a great e-reader for all your reading needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.